levels. Like it could be a 188, and then all of a sudden, you know, we're coming back down like, oh, you want your level, and it just continues to go higher and mess with the 261. When originally the 188 was blown through, like very crisp and clean, and it just fires right through it. And sometimes in the case, it'll even hit the 261 at the high, and then like kind of leak down back to the 188, only just to graze the top of it and continue higher. Which distresses the people that just took the 261. I mean, they want the B point. It's never been hit. All of a sudden, the 188 comes back and attacks them. I mean, that's been what it's like. Oh, yeah. So my example where it blew right through the 188-200, it's going on right now. I can't believe it. So the people from the 188, they got blown right through, like in my example. Nuts. Now we're coming back to tickle the top of that position, and they don't like that. Now we're testing the people from the 188. So the people from the 188 wanted it to go down from here though. So coming back to them isn't doing much good for them. So will they stay trapped? You know, that's what I want to know. Or are they going to be let off? This first of the 3 lows becomes a target, not the first one that it runs into. Not the second one that it runs into. But like it's literally 3 highs back, right? That level, and I'm like, I want to know if they're gonna screw up something like that. You know, if it's not gonna work, I want to see everything about the environment, everything that it does. And I'm like, what? Everything stops right now for this to happen. I'm like, is that what I'm seeing? Is it not true that when we made this, we actually came back to the B point from here? And that's where we actually came to right now. We mustn't forget that this is what the 15 looks like. You know, like we're coming right back into the POC range, right? Right back into the area where we've got a ton of volume, where it's most likely gonna try and get to the other side of the range. As soon as it gets to the other side of this range, then we'll be at the fast part. You know, where it went fast into the chop. And I mean, I'm totally looking for it. What it does at this imbalance could be to give people the wrong idea of the long term. But this is energy coming up off the B point here. Profit taking moves off the B point, looks like. All to lead back to the VWAP and green zone by the end of it all. What it looks like. And it's all moves that are preliminary for the imbalance. Curious about the next trend break, because I'm like, we can hang out here for the rest of the day, but it's going to be forced to break that that trend. And I can see coming back to this point would be of interest. Still going to hit that B point. Just like that, B point hit. Not bad.